In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to cook a beautiful, rustic, tasty and hearty meal. It's a goulash. It's a dish my parents used to cook quite a lot back in Germany. And I know that most people only use beef to make this goulash, but my parents always had half beef and half pork just to give this goulash an extra beautiful and tasty flavor. It is also the perfect dish to cook in advance because the goulash will develop more flavors when you prepare it the day before. Also, it comes with a rich gravy, perfect to dunk up potatoes, boiled potatoes on the side, or maybe even some dumplings. Kia ora and welcome to Sweetest Cooking. Anke here, and it is lovely to see you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my cooking channel to support my channel and to never miss a video. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. So here is my beautiful goulash. I dished it up with some boiled potatoes, and usually I would serve it with sauerkraut on the side, but I was lucky enough that my neighbor gave me some fresh leek from their garden, so I just steamed the leek and sauteed them in some butter. Now let's give it a go. A little bit of potatoes for the gravy. It's just beautiful. As I said, it has got this rich gravy, and the onions give it a beautiful flavor, and the paprika as well. So I do hope you will enjoy this recipe and will enjoy it as much as my family and I are enjoying this meal. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. I would also like to invite you to my membership. This way you can enjoy extra perks and also support my cooking channel. But now I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Until then, sweetest cooking everyone.